Today I'm going to paint an old refurbished sink for my Airbnb studio update. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tuba. I'm a licensed general contractor and an interior designer. On my channel, I want to show you how you can DIY many things around your house without calling a contractor or a handyman, and of course save some money. Let's get to it. To make this sink beautiful again, I'm going to use Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile refinishing kit. It comes with two components, activator and base, and you mix them together. You'll find all the materials you need for this project on the box. I'm also going to leave it in the descriptions below. This is a refurbished countertop. I painted it prior to this. It was actually sitting in my backyard serving as a flower display. As a result, sink has discoloration, yellowness, also some paint from the countertop painting, but they all will be taken care of today. But before that, I just wanted to show you guys the countertop I painted with epoxy. It turned out pretty good. I love the result. I used lots of gold in it, so in order to match that with the whole concept, so I end up getting this titanium gold faucet from Amazon. I'm actually very impressed with the quality. It's all metal, heavy, no plastic in it, only for $49. It's quite impressive, so I'm gonna have the link below if you're interested. Let's get back to our sink now. First, I used grease lightening to remove any mildew. After that, scrub the surface with Comet abrasive cleaner. Wash the surface and then dried it well for sanding. I'm using my favorite sanding block here for sanding. This is great for small jobs, guys. It has a soft, flexible handle that is easy on your hands. I have it in the descriptions below if you're interested. So here I used 400 grit sanding disc. Reason we cleaned it before sanding, so we don't push in the dirt and grime into the crevices. Once we are done with sanding, we can prepare the surface for taping. So I'm going to tape the drain. Instead of removing the drain, I decided to tape it. It was just easier. Before starting the paint, make sure there's no dust on the sink, so you can use tack cloth to remove any dust. Shake well both cans before opening. Pour the small can into bigger can. Mix it really well. Epoxy needs to be mixed well, so you have to be patient and mix it. I put my mask here now because it smells really strong, so you definitely need to put some mask and ventilate the room. Open the windows. If you have ventilation fan, use it. So it does smell bad. I lost the video for the first coat, so here I'm back for the second coat after an hour. I'm rolling the Rust-Oleum paint now, carefully everywhere, thin coat. Rust-Oleum recommends high quality short nap rollers. used paintbrush for the edges. If you like my video, please give me a like and consider subscribing. And done! I think it looks amazing. You can always use third coat if you are not happy with the result, but for that you need to wait for a couple of days and also you need a new kit. Thank you for watching.